So now we will continue the lesson. A house is not a home. So in the last class we had said about the fire of the house, the fire that caught, and the whole destruction that had caused to him, isn't it? And when he went to the school, it was a great surprise for him. He was able to get new friends, isn't it? How he was able to get new friends? When he went to the school the next day, all were gathering, all were waiting to see him, isn't it? That means they were leading him to the gym room where a table was arranged and all the materials, whatever he needed, everything was there only, isn't it? All the children and the teachers had contributed for him, and when he saw that, he thought himself that he could have more friends, isn't it? Okay, now we will go to the next part. After reading the previous, we will go to the next part. So one thing is left to him, isn't it? What is the left thing? That he had lost his cat. The cat, he could not find the cat. The previous portion. It always seems that bad news spread quickly. What is the bad news as far as he is concerned? All the loss what he had, isn't it? And in my case, it was no different. That means everything he had lost, the old school, his classmates, his friends, his home, and at present what his home has been. He had come to a new place, and now in front of him we saw his house burning, isn't it? And at the same time he was not able to find his pet cat. It always seems that bad news spread quickly, and in my case it was no different. Everyone in high school, including the teachers, were aware of my plight. So not only little bit people knew about the disaster, but the whole school, including the teachers, were understood about his great disaster. I was embraced as if someone I was responsible. What a way to start off at a new school. That means he's thinking, when I step to the new school itself, everything had been to him like a dream, everything, isn't it? How it is, everything had been lost. This was not the kind of attention I was looking for. So when he thought, when he come to the new school, as his teachers had said, he thought he will get into the activities, and so that slowly he can go with his new friends, isn't it? But everything, all his dream had gone, destroyed. How it has been destroyed? With the burning of his house, isn't it? The next day as usual, he had started going to school. The next day at school, people were acting even more strange than usual. So something strange you could see in all the students and the teachers. I was getting ready for gym class at my locker. Was going for the gymnastic class. People were milling around me, so all were staring and looking at him or strangely. They all are looking at him, asking me to hurry up, and they are saying, go in a hurry. I thought it is strange because after that nobody was there friendly to him, isn't it? But all of a sudden everyone are now friendly towards him. But in the light of the past few weeks, nothing would surprise me, because it was as usual it was going. He was a new person to that place, and everything seems to be new to him, isn't it? So slowly he thought it would change, isn't it? It almost seemed that they were trying to shove me into the gym, or were trying to make him go inside the gym room. Then I saw one. There was a big table set up with all kinds of stuff on it just for me. So in that gym locker, they were making him go inside it, isn't it? All were standing over around him and making him go hurriedly to where? To the gym room. So when he had entered the gym room, to his great surprise, what did he saw? He saw a table full of materials. Kind of stuff means or kind They had taken up a collection and brought me school supplies, notebooks, all printed clothes, gym. So all the students had made a collection for him, to bring him back to life, isn't it? They had made a collection to bring him back to life. That means he had lost his books, he had lost his shoes, his clothes, everything is lost. Only the clothes what he was wearing, that is the only one left for him to come to school, isn't it? And no books for him, no shoes for him. So now everything was made and got ready on the table to bring him back to life. Understood? So what are the things over there? Yes, school supplies, all the materials needed for school. Books, pencil, pen, everything, all the materials needed for school. Then clothes, then notebooks, etc. So whatever things he needed to continue in the school, everything is now ready on that table. Jeans, tops, sweaters, everything. It was like a Christmas. So he felt it is like a Christmas because during the Christmas gifts you will get the gifts, isn't it? Different kind of gifts you will get. So now in front of him he saw all these things which seems to be like a gifts given to him. I was overcome by emotion. He could not say what kind of feeling he had. People who had never spoken to me before were coming up to me to introduce themselves. So up to then, about 2 weeks he had been coming, isn't it? Up to then nobody had come to him or came to him, introducing or coming to them him to be a friend, isn't it? But all of a sudden now many are coming towards him to introduce themselves. That means to make friends with him. I got all kinds of invitation to their houses, not really coming and making friend with him, asking him to go to their houses, inviting him to go to their houses. Their genuine outpouring of concern really touched me. So how much concerned they were about him. Because why they were calling him to their houses? Because they know that he had no shelter now, isn't it? He had no shelter. He and his mother is now without shelter, isn't it? They are with their grandparents because their house is burned. So they are calling them. That much concern was there in them. In that instant, I finally breathed a sign of relief. So he got that relief that there is someone to help him, and thought for the first time that things were going to be okay. I made friends that day. So now he understood somebody is there to take care of him, to look after him, isn't it? To look after him is to concern him about his loss. And so he started making friends with the now. Understood now? How he made friends with the new school. A month later, I was at my house watching them rebuild. By this time, it was different. I wasn't alone. I was with the two of my new friends from school. I took a fire for me to stop focusing on my feelings of insecurity and open up to all the wonderful people around me. Now I was sitting there watching my house being rebuilt when I realized my life was doing the same thing. So a month later, so after that the friends concern and care and all the materials they had supplied, 1 month is over. Now slowly they started to rebuild their house which had been totally damaged. I was at my house watching them rebuild. So slowly the house was building again. But this time it was different. I was in. So before only he and his mother was there, isn't it? Nobody was there. But this time he was not alone. Who were there? I was with the two of my new friends from school. So along with him, who also was there watching the rebuild of the house, two friends. So now he got friends in his new place, isn't it? So they also were taking care of him, and they also had come to see how much their house is building, isn't it? It took a while for me to stop focusing on my feelings of insecurity. That insecurity is now not there, isn't it? Because now he is secured. He had the security because now he got enough friends, enough help, and there is somebody to take care of him, or isn't it? So now that security is there, that no feeling of insecurity. Before he felt there is no one to take care of them or to look upon them or to find their loss, isn't it? Now he understood. Now he is secure in the hands of his friends and open up to all the wonderful people around him. So many people came for helping him. Now I was sitting there watching my house being rebuilt when I realized my life was doing the same thing. So now he understood. Now he has to rebuild his life also, isn't it? He has to rebuild his life also. Like his house, how it is going to maintain or construct a new house. Now he himself wanted to construct a new path for life, isn't it? Everything is lost and everything had come to him from his friends, isn't it? So now he thought he will go in a new path towards life. Understood? No? That is the rebuild of his life. Understood now? A month later, I was at my house watching them rebuild it. But this time it was different. I wasn't alone. I was with the two of my new friends from school. It took a while for me to stop focusing on my feelings of insecurity and open up to all the wonderful people around me. Now I was sitting there watching my house being rebuilt when I realized my life was doing the same thing. Understood, all of you? While we sat there on the crowd planning my new bedroom, I heard someone walk up to me from behind and say, "Does this belong to you?" When I turned around to see who it was, I couldn't believe my eyes. A woman was standing there holding my cat. I leapt up and grabbed her out of the woman's arms. I held her close to me and cried into that beautiful orange fur. She purred happily. My friends were hugging me, hugging the cat and jumping around. So he said now he has to rebuild his life, isn't it? So slowly he was building his life also, isn't it? Now he had gathered a good number of friends, isn't it? A group of concerned people, isn't it? Then loving people, loving classmates, his friends, isn't it? And then the house, slowly the house is rebuilding it, isn't it? Becoming to the once again it is going to be a home for him, isn't it? At that time when he was thinking about all that, while he sat there on the crowd planning my new room, thinking about the construction of the new bedroom, I heard someone walk to me from behind and say, so somebody came from behind and said, "Does this belong to you?" When I turned around to see who it was, I couldn't believe my eyes. So suddenly he turned to see who the person is. A woman was standing there holding my cat. So there was a woman hanging her hand. Who was there? He is a red tabby cat. I leapt up. So suddenly he got up. Leapt means got up. Leaped, jumped up. And grabbed. Grabbed means got hold of. So he suddenly jumped and caught hold of the cat of the woman's arm, grabbed her out of the woman's arm. So that woman is having the cat in her. He jumped and caught hold of that cat from that woman's hand. I held her close to me. Then I held her very close to him and cried into the beautiful arm, and he started crying. She purred happily, so that who also was making that happy sound? The cat also was making that sound, because it also felt what did it feel? That it had come back to her master, isn't it? My friends were hugging me, so the friends who were standing there, two friends were there, isn't it? They also hugged him, because the love between him and the cat, isn't it? That much love and concern. The lost one, he thought that his cat is lost forever, isn't it? Then all of a sudden it is coming in front of him, so he cannot say what was his feeling, isn't it? So his friends also hugging him as well as the cat, and jumping around. Why they are jumping around? Because they also felt very happy, because the lost cat has come to him, isn't it? How do you also feel when something is lost from you and you were very upset at that time, and many days you were thinking about that, and suddenly, and then you will think, okay, must have lost somewhere, isn't it? Here also the boy has thought that it has gone in the fire, isn't it? Because he had searched everywhere and he could not find the cat, so he thought it must have gone in the fire, isn't it? But all of a sudden, now in front of him, what he sees, the lost cat is alive in his life, coming in front of him. So you also can imagine, when you get the lost thing, how do you feel? The same feeling. Understood now? Apparently, my cat had been so freaked by the fire that she ran over a mile away. Her collar had our phone number on it, but our phones has been destroyed and disconnected. This wonderful woman took her in and worked hard to find out whose cat it was. Somehow she knew this cat was down and sorely missed. So now, how did that woman get that cat? When the house was getting fire, where was the cat? The cat was on the table where he was doing his homework. He was playing with the pen, isn't it? All the time it used to lie on top of the books. So it was there at that particular time, and when the smoke was coming, the boy and the mother went out to see what is happening, isn't it? As soon as they had gone out, the roof had fallen, isn't it? So at that moment, who had run away? The cat had run out of the house. Her collar had our phone number. And how did the woman come to know? Because when we keep our pet, we put a collar around their neck, isn't it? Collar means belt. We use put a collar around their neck. Even though if it is a cat or a dog, we put the collar, isn't it? So that we can identify, or anybody can identify that it is a pet animal. It is a pet animal. But the stray animals which we are seeing on the road, they don't have the collar, isn't it? Because nobody is responsible for them. But otherwise, if it is a pet or looked after by somebody at home, then what is being seen? A belt can be seen, or a collar is put on the animal, isn't it? That is the difference between a stray animal and a collar animal. Understood now? So here also this cat is having that collar, and in that collar or in that belt, what is being written? The phone number is written. Understood? But because in that flame or in that burning, their phones are destroyed, and so nobody was able to phone or inform them, isn't it? But this lady went, she understood that it is being looked after by somebody, because that much loving is there in that small cat, isn't it? Like that, she went in search of many ways and finally reached over here. Understood now? Apparently my cat had had been so freaked by the fire. She got a freak means frightened. Freak, frightened. So the cat got frightened of the fire and then she ran over a mile. About a mile she had gone. She ran very fast, covering about a mile. Her collar had our phone number in it. So the collar is being put over the around the neck. So in that collar the phone number was written. But our phones had been destroyed and destroyed. But they had no phones at present. Why? Because now they are that it had been lost in the fire. This wonderful woman took her in and worked hard to find out whose cat it is. So, but this woman, when she got the cat in her hand, what did she do? And she saw the collar over there and the phone number also. So she understood it is being looked after by somebody. So she must have phoned to that number what is there, isn't it? But because they had lost their phone and no connection was there, they did not get any information. So the lady or the woman must have gone in search of that phone number to many places and finally she had reached over here. Understood? Whose cat it was somehow. She knew the cat was loved and someday missed. So she understood from that collar the cat is being looked after by somebody and it has been missed by somebody, isn't it? That is why she had come to the place. Must have thought about the burning down of this house. So she also must have thought that the cat must be somewhere over here, isn't it? As I sat there with my friends and my cat curled up in my lap, curling means sitting, all the overwhelming feelings of loss and tragedy seemed to diminish. I felt gratitude for my life, my new friends, the kindness of a stranger, and the loud bark of my beloved cat. My cat was back, and so was I. So now, as I sat there with my friends and my cat curled up in my lap, so where is the cat sitting? On his lap. All the overwhelming feelings of loss and tragedy. That means the loss and tragedy. What is the loss? Loss as well as tragedy. Great tragedy was there, isn't it? That means he had left everything in his old place, house, old friends, school, teachers and everything and came to a new place. And in the new place, what had happened? Only loss was there, isn't it? From the very beginning itself, he had only the loss. That means no school, no students, then no surroundings. Then the house, what had happened? All of a sudden the house got fire and he had lost his cat. So only the loss was there in the new place, isn't it? Now that mixture of both, isn't it? That is the loss and the tragedy now started to diminish. Diminish means get over. Less began to diminish. See it to diminish. I feel gratitude for my life, my new friends. So now he is having that thankfulness for having new friends. Then the kindness of the stranger. Who is the stranger? The woman who had come with his cat. And the loud purr of my beloved cat. I can see him. How the cat also felt it was purring with the purring loudly, showing its happiness. My cat was back and so was I. So his loss slowly started to come back to him and now once again he started to live. So a house is not a home means home is the place when everything is there. Isn't it? House is only the building, but home is different. Parents, whatever we like, everything, when everything is filled in, it is a home. So the house was destroyed and everything was lost for him, isn't it? Now his lost cat had come. The house is starting to construct slowly. of the lesson. What does the author notice one Sunday afternoon? So one Sunday afternoon, what did he notice? He saw the smoke getting inside his room. What is his mother's reaction? What did the mother do? She ran out with a metal box. What does she do? Again she got inside and she had collected some of the things of his father, isn't it? Why does he break down in tears after the fire? Because only loss was there for him, because he had lost his pet cat. Why is the author deeply embraced the next day in school? Because he had nothing to go to the school. He had only the dress which he was wearing on the previous day when his house caught fire, and he had lost his shoes, his school books and his bag. Isn't it? Everything was lost. So he did not know how to face the school. Which word? Sorry. The cat and the author are very fond of each other. How has this been shown in the story? Where was the cat after the fire? Who brings it back and show? Yes, he had gone to his burned house the second time. When the materials are being removing, he went there to see whether his cat is somewhere there, isn't it? But he did not find the cat. He came back without seeing, and he looked for everywhere, but he could not find his cat. But finally, a month later, who had come? A woman from about 1 mile far away, isn't it? From there, she had come with his cat. What action of the schoolmates changed the author's understanding of life and people and comfort him emotionally? How does his loneliness vanish and how does he start participating in life? That means after the fire, he has to go to school, so he went to the school, and there he saw an unusual thing, a strange thing, that all were making him in the hurry to go to the gym locker, isn't it? And when he had entered over there, he saw a table full of school materials and clothes, isn't it? His books and clothes and everything was there of different dresses, including the warm clothes also. So when he saw all that, he felt there was somebody to take concern about him, isn't it? And then from there, what did he do? He started making friends, isn't it? And when his house was starting reconstruction, his friends also came with him to watch it, isn't it? And at the time when the woman came with the cat, who was there? His friend was there. So now he understood. He got the friends. He got the somebody else to love him. So he started slowly coming back to his life. What is the meaning of my cat was back and so was I? That means only he was thinking about his lost cat, isn't it? So when the cat had come to him, he thought now he is going to start a home. Because when he was in the home, he had his mother, his pet cat and all the things what he needed, isn't it? But when the fire had come, everything he had lost. So once again, now everything is coming back to him and all his loss and tragedy is disappearing. Understood? So once again, he is coming back to his home. So cat is the great thing for him, isn't it? Otherwise, it will be a loss for him forever. If it is lost, then he will think about that cat forever. Then what he did not feel? He will not feel that homely atmosphere, isn't it? Because one person or anybody of us who had been not with us after a long time, we feel that the person, absence of that person very much, isn't it? Similarly, here also, the boy was feeling the absence of the cat, because the cat has been, how it has been brought, when it was a kitten, he had brought it and looked after it, and now it was a cat, isn't it? So that much attachment was there between He and the cat. Now, have any of your classmates or schoolmates had an experience like the one described in the story where they needed help? Describe how they were helped. So that you can read the stories already given. Malgadi Days, modern Hindi stories written by Hindu Jain. Ake Narayan's Malgudi Days. All these shows about the stories of the, before that, the stories so far, Tales of the Girl, Child in India, edited by Monica Das. So whenever you get, the main thing is instead of wasting your money on anything else, spend your money for buying storybooks and try to read them, understand. You may get stories like this, very interesting story which can help you in different ways. Understood now? So you should read the lesson properly, the notes will be sent.